And where have you stopped before Christchurch?
Wronga,
Yeah.
Beer.
Oh, cool. Fantastic. That we can see in the middle, that's the centre of the old volcano. So it's like the volcanic plug.
These biscuits are dangerously good.
Pair of shoes on if you want to wear those. Not essential, but what I would wear on your top is some form of like warm thermal t-shirt or long sleeve, so something like this if you had it. And then what I also wear is like a fleece on top of that.